guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make some homemade climbing frames for our climbing plants. And all you will need for this is some bamboo sticks, as I have here, and some cable ties. Now I've got an example here for you. Let me just bring it over, bear with me guys. So all this is a bit of bamboo and some cable ties. And now, so if you were to buy one of these, they would cost about £10, but we've made one from scratch that costs nothing. And so I've got all the bits of bamboo that I need. So first of all, I am just going to set out the basic framework. So how we do this is we just place the 3 sticks like so. I'm actually going to put this one at the bottom. So that's our basic framework. And now I'm going to cable tie the bottom quickly. So we'll cable tie them all together. So that's one cable tie, and as I showed you with our other one, I double cable tie the bottom just so it has a little bit more strength. So that's what I'm just going to do now. And that was the wrong way around, so I'm just going to flip it for you guys. And so that is the bottom cable tied together. Now if we move up, so I think we can put it about there. So I'm just going to take a cable tie and I'm going to thread it in. And now this is only going to be a single cable tie. We don't need a double, because this will be strong enough as it is. Now I'm just going to get another cable tie quickly, and I'm going to have to go get some more cable ties in a minute. Bear with me guys. And so I just went to get some more cable ties. So now we will have enough to be able to finish off this. And so we will double tie this one, like I showed you on our example. And so just here, make sure to get these the right way around, because it'll be easier when you try to put it all together. So now we take our bigger bracing just here, and we will put that at the top, like so. So I'm just going to take these cable ties. We shouldn't need all of them, but never know. So I'm just going to thread through like I've shown you, and you can see how quickly that I've just put that all together. It doesn't even take that long. It takes no longer than 3 to 4 minutes, and you get quicker at it as you go along. And it's cheaper as well, so at these times it's very helpful to just be able to have some stuff on hand so you can build stuff that you need around your garden, because it's very hard to get hold of things at the moment for gardening, because they don't class it as an essential shop, even though it keeps people busy. So you can see you don't even have to use bamboo. It can be just long pieces of wood or just what you've got lying around your house, as long as it's sturdy enough to hold together. Cable ties is also a really good option, because you can find them in places like Wilkinson's, which is open because they sell food, because they sell toiletries, so you can find cable ties in there. So, and they're really cheap, they're not too much money, they're about £1 I think, so they're not too much. So as you can see, we have now finished the example that I was just finishing off with you guys. And so we're going to clip all these cable tie ends so it doesn't look messy. But these are for our climbers. And you can see how quick and easy that was. It took no longer than 3 minutes to do. And you guys can probably do this even if you're garden noobs like I am, sort of. I'm getting better as we go every video. But yeah, so let's get this one in place. But so here's our finished product beside me. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to slam that notification bell, otherwise you won't be notified when I upload another video. But that's it for this Grow your imagination, upload. Keep safe, everyone. Bye, guys.